Right then. This is called St Mary's Church in Chard in Somerset. It's 10 past 1 in the afternoon. Look at this. Nice gargoyles on it by the front door. Ooh. And round the tops here. Cool. And up here the drain pipe says 1883 on it. Right, we've had a look in. There we are. Had a peek inside and it is open. Oh, it's quite dark. Musty. There we go. Oh, nice big columns, look at that. They're beautiful. I tried to come to do this one before. But there was a service on a Tuesday going on in it. Look at that. Just a quick look round. Just have a look up here. Don't see out there. Beautiful eagle. Not too much talking because there's a squint looking up towards the back of the altar, I think. Let's have a look. Let's have a look round here. It must be the in where the thing is. Beautiful. Look at all this. Nice chairs. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't know who that is. Look at that vent for it. Look, right, there's a lovely eagle. There's lots of writing on the bottom, but I can't see it. It's very Charles Benjamin somebody, I can't see it. Very faded. But the eagle is splendid. Splendid birdie. In Memorial. Charles Benjamin Tucker. That's the one, same one that's on the bottom. There you go. Fell asleep 1st of March 1880. Esther Catherine Tucker fell asleep 1878. 27th of July. Look, it's a beautiful wood carving pulpit sermon place. It's beautiful. Let's have a wee look. Oh, can I get up there? See what the vicar can say. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful up here. Yeah. There's a gap up here, and there's one this side up here. That's what it been. But they have the hood to the root that goes over the top.